In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the secondary font in your Big Cartel shop design. Whether you're looking to refresh your online store's look or just want a slight tweak to better match your brand's personality, adjusting your fonts can make a significant difference. Let's dive right into the process. To begin, you need to navigate to your Big Cartel dashboard. This is your main control center where you can manage everything to do with your online store. Once you're on your dashboard, look towards the top of your screen. You'll see an option labeled Account. It's usually situated alongside other navigation options. Go ahead and click on Account. When you've clicked into your account settings, scroll down until you find the section titled Shop Design. This part of the dashboard is where the magic happens. It's where you control the visual aesthetic of your site. Under this section, you'll see a button or link that says Go to Shop Designer. Click on this as it will take you to the specific area where you can start customizing the fonts. Once you're within the Shop Designer, turn your attention to the top left corner of the page. Here, you'll discover a tab or a button labeled Settings. This is your gateway to altering various design features on your store. Click on Settings, and this will open up a panel with different customization options. With the Settings panel open, look for an option that mentions Secondary Font. Your secondary font is a crucial part of your store's design. It's often used for subheadings, buttons, and other elements that need to stand out without overshadowing your primary font. When you locate this option, click on it. Now you'll be presented with a variety of fonts to choose from. This is your chance to experiment and see what aligns best with the vibe of your store. Selecting the right font can be a bit of trial and error, so don't hesitate to try out a few before settling on the perfect one. Remember, readability is as important as style, and the font should complement the rest of your design rather than clash with it. Once you find the font that feels just right, simply make your selection. And that's it. You've successfully customized the secondary font of your Big Cartel shop. And there you have it. A straightforward way to adjust the look of your store by changing its secondary font. Refreshing your design can sometimes breathe new life into your online business, making it look more appealing and updated for your audience. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Happy design!